Hey everyone, Mike from Gasoline Alley here. I want to highlight one of our newest parts. It's the Airhorn here for the Marx 50s era style trucks here. Just want to show you how to put it on and get your truck looking like new again. So this is what you're going to get when you order from us here. So you have the Airhorn and one clip to hold it in place. Alright, so a little tricky to get this in with the cab still on. Obviously if you have the cab off, it's much easier to get to. But what we're going to do a little bit of gymnastics here. Put the clip on your finger, put it underneath. So you want to get the hole lined up with the hole in the cab there. And then all you're going to do is take the Airhorn here. There's two little pins. I like to put the clip on the front since that's in the middle of the part, and that holds it in place the best. So all you're going to do then is align the one in back and push down. Sometimes you need two fingers to hold it in place there. And push the clip up from the bottom. So you can see inside there, that clip is holding it in place. And there you go. Back in business, ready to honk at the people that are in your way. All right, so that's all there is to it. Again, this is part number MXP025. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll have more of these videos coming. And if there are parts that you're looking for, be sure to drop a comment below and we'll try to see if we can work something in for you. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good one.